ASUS router keeps changing IP automatically. Assign static IP. Step 1. First, you'll need to access your ASUS router web interface. Open a web browser and type in your router's default IP address. You'll then be prompted to enter your username and password. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look for the Advanced Settings section on the left-hand menu. Under Advanced Settings, click on LAN. Step 3. Within the LAN settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the LAN IP tab. Step 4. On the LAN IP tab, you'll see options for IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Change the LAN IP settings to static IP if it's not already. Then enter the desired static IP address you want for your router. Make sure this IP address is within your network's range, but outside the DHCP server's range to avoid conflicts. Fill in the subnet mask and default gateway. Step 5. After entering all the details, click the Apply or Done button to save your changes. Your router will likely restart and you'll then be able to access it using the new static IP address.